Here's a 1995 Jeep YJ. No AC, but the belt tensioner. So to me, for a while there, I was confused. But what you do is you just loosen this guy here, this idler pulley, and then here is your adjustment. And it's a huge long bolt that goes right through all the way down to the bottom. And you tighten it this way. Well, actually, tighten up your belt, and then I think you need about a 1/2 inch to loosen it. Put it in reverse to take the tension off. I couldn't find it anywhere, but that's my tip and trick. And make sure that that long bolt is actually lubricated. And like I said, it goes actually through this idler pulley bolt. And then once you've got your tension just right, snug this up, you're golden. So I just ran it without any coolant in it just to make sure, and the belt's doing fine. So that's the secret. Tighten this bolt, tightens up the belt, and loosen this, loosens up the belt. And then all you got to do is just loosen this bolt here, and that'll allow you to tighten or loosen depending on what it is. So new water pumps in. What a dream. Thank you.